In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove view only in Google Sheets. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and seen that view only badge, it simply means your current access doesn't allow editing. The fix depends on whether you own the file or you are just viewing someone else's. I'll walk you through both situations clearly so you can start editing right away. First, if you are the owner of the sheet and want to let others edit, open the specific Google Sheet in your browser. Look to the top right corner and click the blue Share button. This opens the Sharing Settings panel, where you control who can do what. If you are granting access to specific people who are already listed, find their name. Click the drop-down next to it. This usually says Viewer and switch it to Editor. Editor access lets them change content, formatting, and structure, so only assign it to people you trust. If you want broader access, adjust the General Access section. Click the drop-down that might say Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Then set the role to Editor. This makes the file editable for anyone who has the link, even if they aren't added individually. It's powerful, so consider whether your data is sensitive before using this option. When you are done, click Done or Save to apply the changes. A quick tip: double-check you are signed into the correct Google account before sharing, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now, if you are a viewer trying to edit someone else's sheet, you have two straightforward options. The fastest is to create your own editable copy. In the menu at the top, go to File, then Make a Copy. This creates a new version in your own Google Drive where you are the owner, and you'll have full editing rights right away. It's perfect if you only need the structure or data as a starting point and don't need to change the original file. If you do need to edit the original, request edit access. Look for the Request Edit Access button, typically near the View Only label. Click it to send a notification to the owner. You can include a short note explaining what you need to change, which often helps approvals happen faster. Once the owner grants access, refresh the sheet and you should be able to edit. That's it. Thanks for watching.